Like my little laugh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the way this system that I made works is flip this around. So that's the bottom. This is going to be the back. This fits on there like this. Go over here and look. This right here will bolt down into the bottom piece this way. Got to put the screws this way onto this board right here, and it'll stay like that. Okay. The sideboards, there's two of them.
You need help?
Sideboards will go on like this. Come over here. This will all fit together once I get it screwed in. It's going to be flush with this all the way down. Okay, same way in front, like that. Okay, but that's the idea on how to build this. But I got to do one more piece here because this is the bottom of the chicken coop, and I need support for our fat ass chickens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it and right down the middle. So that's a 48-inch piece. And put it right down the middle. And this is right here. Excuse me. One and 7/16. So 1 and 7/16 divided by 2 is 3/4 inch. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 3/4 of an inch away from 2 feet, 24 inches. Right there. And right there. That should be my middle. Okay. Like that, like this. Like that. And then just like a carpenter, you measure twice and cut once. So that's 23 inches. Oh. Should be 23 1/4. 23 1/4. 23 1/4. Okay. Okay. Right. Now what I want to do, we'll measure the length of this, which is 24 inches. Okay. So I want to cut this 24 inches. Come on. 24 inches. Helps if I get a little lead out there, huh? There we go. Okay, so I'll cut this. That should fit right just like that. So mind you that this is the bottom of the chicken barn thing, and this is only for support. And this right here, I have cross. Oh, wait a minute. Good thing I measured twice and cut once. Okay, so what I'm looking to do here is this. That's right. I'm upside down, so I'm good. Okay, so I'll screw this in. I'll screw it. Okay. So what I do, I flip it around now and screw it down from the inside out. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, I already got a line. It's pretty cool. Thank you, Home Depot. So these are the only screws I got. So I'll probably have to run to Home Depot and get more screws, but I won't do that till the weekend when I put it together. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you what I mean. Since that support is on the bottom, the one in the middle right here, when I put this one on, go out front. When I put this one on, this right here will screw in through this onto that board that I just put on there. See what I mean? You see what I mean, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. And same thing with the other side. So that's just a support for the chickens because of their weight. We don't want it to fall out from underneath them, so I gave them a little support in the middle. Okay.
They'll like it.
Anyway, I'm all done until Saturday when I put it together in the chicken coop, and you guys will be out there with me when I do that too.
Good job, babe.
Mickey, hi.
What do you think?
How you good boy?
You like just sitting in that car all day if you could.
Yep, that's his thing. Anyway, this is gonna work out just fine. Okay.
Until the weekend.
Until Saturday when I get more materials